Friends, have you ever thought about how, when a stadium is built, it's not just a pile of concrete and steel? It becomes a city's dream, a nation's ambition, and a sports team's future. But when it comes to the world's biggest, most unique, and most expensive stadiums, there are often hidden webs behind these dreams that make you wonder, will these projects actually succeed, or will they just end up as wasted piles of money? Today, we're taking you on a journey through 6 such mega stadiums around the world. Some are already built, some are under construction, and some might never happen. Get ready, because this isn't just about architecture. It's a story of money, politics, and perhaps some big controversies. Al-Ahly Stadium, Egypt's underground marvel. Let's start from the land where civilizations are born, Egypt. In a country with pyramids and pharaohs, a new wonder is rising, the Al-Ahly Stadium. This isn't just a sports arena. It's a revolutionary design. The concept is inspired by Egypt's ancient underground structures and traditions. Imagine a fusion of modern technology and ancient mystery. The stadium is designed to withstand climate change, providing comfort to fans even in the heat. But with such a massive project come challenges. The biggest issues are site stability and managing the land. Can Egypt, already focused on preserving its ancient heritage, build a modern wonder? This is a fascinating experiment. Note: as of 2025, the design by Gensler features a sunken pitch for cooling and height restrictions. Construction started in early 2025, aiming for completion by 2029. Manchester United, New Trafford, the futuristic vision. Now, let's head to the home of football giants, Manchester United. As you know, Old Trafford, known as the Theatre of Dreams, is starting to feel a bit old. And when it's Manchester United, they want the best. That's why there's a proposal for a completely new, futuristic New Trafford. It sounds exciting just hearing about it, right? The design looks like a spaceship has landed on Earth. It includes cutting-edge technology, VIP experiences, and an atmosphere that will drive fans crazy. But here's the main twist. Financially, it's a huge risk. Fans' expectations are sky high. But when it comes to budget, questions arise. Will the owners invest that much money? And even if it's built, will it bring back the true magic of the Theatre of Dreams? Or just become an expensive showpiece? Update. In 2025, plans for a 100,000-seat stadium adjacent to Old Trafford are progressing, with regeneration support, but land and funding details are ongoing. Greater Bay Area Sports Center, China, the wonder of speed and scale. Now, let's talk about the country where everything is built at lightning speed, China. The Greater Bay Area Sports Center is being built there. When we discuss Chinese construction projects, big and fast are mandatory words. This complex is designed for multiple sports in one place, with a very unique design like a floating lotus flower. The impact on the city will be huge, aiming to make the Greater Bay Area a global sporting hub. But the challenge here is different. In such rapid construction, quality control and environmental concerns are often overlooked. Will this stadium last, or become part of the trend where things are built quickly and then need repairs just as fast? This is a new test for Chinese engineering. Update. Completed in 2025 by Zaha Hadid Architects. The 60,000-seat stadium and complex opened with events in August 2025. Washington Commanders Stadium, the battle of politics and the pitch. Now, let's discuss a project where not just sports, but politics shakes the ground. The new stadium for the Washington Commanders. The Washington D. area is a massive market for sports, and the Commanders want their stadium right in the heart of the national capital. The design is aggressive and modern, reflecting the spirit of American football. But the biggest opponent here isn't another team, it's local politics and land disputes. There's so much fighting over where the stadium will be built that the project has been stalled multiple times. Will this stadium ever be built, or remain just a political tool? When public funds and private interests mix, projects often turn into controversies rather than reality. We'll have to see if the Commander's dream stadium actually materializes. Update. In 2025, plans for a new domed stadium at the RFK site advanced, with architect HKS selected, targeting opening in 2030, as Roma, a renaissance for the Coliseum. In Italy, where history confronts you at every turn, AS Roma wants to build a stadium that pays tribute to their glorious past. Their plan is for an arena directly inspired by the Coliseum. Imagine the passion of modern football on one side and the grandeur of the Roman Empire on the other. The design is aesthetically very powerful. This stadium won't just be for Roma. It'll be a statement for Italy's cultural identity. But here too, the same old story: bureaucracy and archaeological hurdles. In Italy, any major construction hits ancient ruins underground and gets delayed. Can Roma build their Colosseum-inspired stadium without archaeological delays? Or will ancient history block their future vision? Update. In Pietralata, feasibility study delivered in December 2025 by Populous, aiming for 2028 to 2030 opening with ongoing bureaucratic processes. Chicago Bears. The debt-plagued home. And finally, we come to those who've waited the longest and face the biggest financial burden, the Chicago Bears. The Bears have wanted a new, world-class stadium to replace Soldier Field for ages. Their vision is an amazing modern stadium on the lakefront, where football can be enjoyed in any weather. But here, ambition is overshadowed by the word debt. There's so much trouble over funding that it feels like an endless saga. From local government to team owners, everyone is trying to reduce the financial load. This stadium is a perfect example of how a brilliant architectural dream, when paired with poor financial planning, turns into a nightmare. Will the Chicago Bears finally get their new home? Or will this project remain forever under construction? Update. As of late 2025, focus shifted back to Arlington Heights, or even sites outside Illinois, like Indiana. Lakefront plans stalled due to funding issues, transformative assets, or costly failures. So, friends, these are 6 mega stadiums around the world with the potential to redefine sports infrastructure. Each has its own unique design and story. But each faces a big question. Will they become just trophy assets where money is wasted, or truly shine their cities on the global stage? Whether it's Al-Ahly's technical genius, New Trafford's financial gamble, Greater Bay Area's speed, Washington's political deadlock, Roma's historical challenge, or Chicago's debt problem, every project proves that dreaming big requires courage, but fulfilling those dreams needs an even stronger and solid plan. What do you think, which of these stadiums will fulfill its vision? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such fascinating stories. See you in the next video.